Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Middleware AI Academy. In today's video, I'm going to explain AI, artificial intelligence, in a way that everyone can understand with simple examples from daily life. And at the end of this video, I'll also show you how you can get a free AI certification from Oracle under the Race to Certification 2025 program. So make sure you watch till the end. So don't worry, this is not going to be technical. By the end of this talk, you'll see how AI is already part of your daily life, sometimes without you even realizing it. So what is AI? What exactly is AI? In simple words, AI is when machines are designed to think and learn like humans. Just like we learn from our experiences, AI learns from data. It doesn't mean robots taking over the world. It means computers helping us solve problems smarter and faster. Give it examples, like showing a child pictures of cats and dogs. It learns to recognize. Over time, it learns to recognize the difference, makes decisions, and eventually it can make decisions on its own. So think of AI as a child learning through these steps. Google Maps and Uber. When you use Google Maps, AI predicts the fastest route by analyzing live traffic data from millions of phones. Uber uses AI to match drivers and riders instantly. Entertainment and voice assistants, YouTube and Netflix. Ever wonder how Netflix knows exactly which shows you might like? That's AI, recommending content based on your viewing history. Voice assistants, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistants are all powered by AI. You ask, "What's the weather?" and AI understands your voice, searches, and replies in seconds. Shopping and healthcare. Online shopping. On Amazon, AI recommends products you didn't even know you wanted by analyzing what similar users have bought. Healthcare. AI can detect diseases from X-rays faster than some doctors, helping save lives. So now the question arises, why AI matters? What's so important about AI that matters? Because it can do repetitive and time-consuming work much faster than humans. Imagine a bank employee manually checking thousands of loan applications versus an AI system scanning them in seconds. Farmers using AI drones to monitor crops instead of walking through acres of fields. This allows humans to focus on creativity, decision-making, and empathy. Things machines cannot replace. Concerns in the future? Of course, AI also raises concerns. Job replacement? People worry about jobs being replaced. Privacy issues? Others worry about privacy since AI learns from our data. Potential misuse, and yes, there are fears of misuse like deepfake videos. That's why AI needs to be developed responsibly with rules and ethics, so it helps people instead of harming them. To sum it up, AI is not science fiction, it's here, it's helping us every day, from Google Maps to Netflix, from healthcare to shopping. The real question is not whether AI will shape our future, it already is. The question is, how do we choose to use it? Thank you for listening, and I hope this has given you a clear picture of AI. So guys, now let me tell you how all of you can get free certification of AI on Oracle. So let's begin. First you have to come on Google search and come here. Here you have to search Oracle Race to Certification 2025. Open the first link, Race to Certification 2025. After this, you have to come to this button, join the race. Get certified for free. It's only available till 31 October 2025. So join the race. You have to create an account if you haven't the credentials. So we are going to create an account here as well. So wait till the page gets loaded. Now you have to fill all these details like your email address. Usually we do all these things on the other websites as well. So write your email address. After that your password, whatever you want to keep your password. Write down your password, then retype your password. Country. So fill all these details. These are very basic details anyone can fill, and you just have to fill the mandatory details. After this, just click on the button create account. So let's wait. Everything has been verified. Yes, so you have got a mail on your email address. So you just have to go to your mail ID. Here I'm going to check my mails. Here my Gmail. And let's see if I have got this mail. Yes, look, it's the first mail. Now you just have to click on the given link, and or you can just press verify email address. You just have to press the button. Success, your account is ready to use. So press the button to continue. And now again you have to press the button join the race. Now just press the button sign in. And with your credentials which you have just created, write your username and the password and press the button next. Again password, next, and sign in. So this is how you again have to press the button join the race. Let's wait till it's get loaded. Okay, we have entered the race. It's taking few seconds, so let's wait. Okay. So now you just have to activate your subscription. For that you have to check the terms and conditions, or you can just press the button activate. And like you can see, you are successfully activated. You can press the button skip here, or if you want to select your learning goals, you can do that. And here you can see there are so many certificates already given. You can go and check. There are levels, and this is how you can get your free AI certification. For example, we are going to go OCI AI Foundations. So let's start it. It's happening. It's loading. Loading and loading. So let's wait. So race to certification 2025 is now live, as you can see. For here you have to certification in IOCI multi-cloud. It's only available till October 31, 2025. Here you have some videos, 6+ hours of expert training. You just have to start one video. It will take 4 hours, 15 minutes, 2 hours. They have some time. You can see these videos, and after completing all these videos, you can go for Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2025 AI Foundation Associate. You can go for this OCI Generative AI. For this you also again press the button start. This is also a free certification course. It will take some time to load the page. As soon as you will see the page, you will come to know what you are supposed to do. Here you will again find some videos which you are supposed to watch and get the knowledge. So yeah, this is about OCI Foundations, OCI Generative AI Professionals. Here again there are few videos timings are already given here. You can just watch them and understand AI in better way and get the certification from here. So what else can I say about AI? As we all know, there are two advanced intelligences on earth who can say what is and what isn't possible. I hope you find this video useful, and I will try to come up with some more ideas about AI. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the button like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.